this video, we'll show you how to clean your juicer's filter basket. You'll need the cleaning brush that comes with your unit and some liquid dish soap. Let's begin by first understanding what a clean filter basket would look like. When the filter basket is held to the light can easily be seen through the mesh. It's also important to check the filter basket for any damage to the mesh. So this is an example of a filter basket that's fairly clean. Let's look at another filter basket. Here's an example of a filter basket that is clogged. The light cannot be easily seen through the mesh of the filter basket. If you were to use this filter basket, you might experience excessive leaking with your juicer, or wet pulp, due to the fact that the juice cannot easily pass through the mesh. Cleaning the filter basket is really straightforward. Take the supplied cleaning brush and pour a little dish soap over it. Then scrub the outside of the filter basket first. Then scrub the inside of the mesh. And finally, scrub the teeth of the filter basket so it can emulsify the food. And if your filter basket looks like this, it's ready to use. If not, just contact Breville.